acting like you just came home. I saw you leave out here with the camera, so I was
That was so natural. You seen like professional vlogs, like you come back home and it looks like they're just walking in the door, but obviously they set up the camera. But I walk in and Martha didn't want to play along and I already had my shoes off. I tried to make it interesting and fun.
So,
You want to snuggle with Daddy after work? No? Okay.
girl, you forgot to take his harness off. You can't do that. Look at him. He looks like a deflated balloon.
She made me lunch. Look.
No, I'm making you lunch.
Well,
That's your lunch?
Yeah. Just chips, right?
Yeah.
Just kidding. There's my lunch. Because she loves me.
Or is that too little, James? I'll put some more on there. Se puso nerviosa y le dio miedo comprar otra.
So, the computer doesn't turn on. By that I mean, it just won't turn on. I was using it and it just randomly shut off. And you're like, maybe it's dead. But it's been plugged in the whole time. So what I think happened is that a few weeks ago, Thor chewed the charger wire. And I'll show you where he bit it. There we go. Yeah, you can see that now. But one of the bites is really bad.
It isn't bad, it's just it went deep.
It went deep into the wire. And why I didn't think that was the problem is because it had been like that for the past week and the computer was charging fine. But what I think is the computer it was bending too much and it finally shut off. So what I think happened was we thought the computer was charging, so we just left it by the side of the bed. It was turned on, but it was plugged in, like a lot of people do with their computers. And they should be able to tell us if it's the charger or the computer's dead, which I really hope it's not the computer, because then you won't be watching this video.
For a while. For a very long while.
She thinks she has to put makeup on to go to Best Buy to impress the geeks.
No, it's just so I don't scare people off like children.
We need to take this with us and the computer charger. Turn the lights off. Close the door all the way. The essentials of life. H2O. And a woman to cook you food. That was a joke. The water bit was a joke. You'll find out the joke later when you watch the vlog.
I never watched the vlogs.
Well, maybe you should start watching them.
No.
It's one of my favorite songs. How do you not know that? World's best parking space. There. So we went in there, and he said that we have to make an appointment, which was weird. I didn't have to do it last time. All we needed to see is if the charger was broken. And last time our computer was about to die when we used the program that they had, and they had a charger and they plugged it in and charged our computer for us. And so all we needed was to ask for the charger and see if it would charge the computer. Then we know it's the charger, we just buy a new one. Like, take like literally a minute, like not an exaggeration. So I asked the guy if he happened to have a, 'cause I know he does, because they're Best Buy, like if he had a charger for the computer, because we just need to know if our charge is broken. That's all the problem is. So then we know if to buy a new charger. And he was like, yeah, we just operate by appointments. And so he made an appointment for us tomorrow, which was, I thought a little bit absurd because all it was the charger. We just need to know if it's the charger. It's not a problem with the computer. I think if I would have asked him, like, can I just borrow the charger, see if it'll charge my computer, he would have just said yes instead of asking for the actual program. We came to a different Best Buy. You're giving me the bags to carry? Is that because you're pregnant?
I have another bag to carry.
Best Buy.
Girls don't do anything. Right?
We're next in line. See, let's go to a different Best Buy. You don't have to make an appointment. Technically, we still have an appointment at the other one.
Stop!
Hacking it, it doesn't actually work. Make sure it works before you buy.
We bought the computer for like $250.
No, it's $300.
Whatever. It was a very bad computer. We just needed a computer, and the charger cost like $60.
You know what we could do?
Alright, Thor, we gotta go make the money that you just made us spend. Go do some deliveries and hopefully not drop food this time. That's the goal.
You have the post.
And this camera is about to die. I like charged it a little bit before we left, but it was not enough. The red light is like flashing. It's like, please charge me. Ain't nothing but a killer. YOLO. When I go run, this is all I wear. Just shorts and shoes. As you may have guessed, that's where I'm going right now. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Bam. Oof. I'm dead. I'm gonna eat this while dinner is on the stove. What's for dinner, babe?
James! Oh my god.
She's not naked, she has a towel on. What's
But
for
your mom is not gonna be very happy that that's on the vlog now, is she?
What's for dinner?
Huh?
What's for dinner?
Stop filming me, I'm naked.
It's rice and fish. But I'm gonna edit the vlog now. So, you know what that means? Before I end the vlog, Maritza thinks it's necessary to say that she got her first breast milk come out today. I didn't think it was appropriate to put on, but she's like, just put in the vlog! Good night.